Okay, hello, good night. My name is Jesus Arias, and today I am the weather presenter. Okay, let's do it. Okay, today, uh, Thursday, we can see that the weather is rainy, presenting an humidity of 87%. Sorry. And for today, it is recommended to use your umbrellas and do activities at home and being with the family. It is not recommended to visit the beaches or river and others. Okay, for tomorrow, Friday, if you can see, the weather forecast will be sunny, a probability of rain of 40%. Always remember to go out with your mouth mask, your mask, face mask, and do activities out there. Uh, be it going for a run, go to the beach, and among other activities. But always remember to use a sunscreen. For Saturday, the weather forecast mentioned that it will be sunny with an even lower probability of rain. It is recommended to do outdoor activities and always use sunscreen. For Sunday, the day will be cloudy with probability of rain of 55%. And remember to leave your house with your umbrella and do indoor activities such as watch movies, eating with your friends or with your family, whatever you want, and visit your family and other activities. Always in your house or okay. And okay, with this we finished today. Thank you very much and thank you for your attention.